Very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the cloud computing fundamentals in the Unit 3. We are in the Unit 3. Unit 3 of title is Essential Cloud Services. We are going to discuss what are the essential cloud services available in the cloud computing fundamentals. Okay. So in the cloud computing essential services, we are going to discuss what are the computer services available and how it's helping the cloud computing to the companies who are providing the cloud services. So let's start here. What are the essential cloud services? In this previous topic, we have discussed about what is virtualization and the introduction part about cloud computing, and also we have learned a few basic fundamentals of cloud computing, right? So followed with we having cloud services. Let's start. We already know cloud services in the three categories, right? So IaaS, PaaS, nothing but infrastructure as services. So cloud computing is nothing but providing service to the others, right? Providing storage or any other services. It might be any services. So the categories will be a platform and also as services, right? So and also have containers, serverless computing. So these are the some services providing by the cloud. So we already know these things in the previous topics. So let's start here. What is cloud computing? We already just have a revising what is cloud. So cloud is on-demand access to computing resources, right? So virtual machines, containers, and serverless function. Already we know virtualization is nothing but there are different number of servers needed to access any kind of things. So we need to given in the single platform. So virtualization, sharing of operating system in a single unit, that we call it as virtualization. So from that we having pay per use, less OS, and also have global reach, and also having instant scaling. So pay per whatever we are using, we have to pay only for that, right? So for that we are providing the cloud computing. So it is there are four main compute categories available, right? So generally we have virtual machines, serverless, and also having the containers, and also having platform services. These are the four main categories. Just write down. There are four categories available in the computing services. So virtual machine, it will have the full OS and also having traditional applications. So serverless, and also we having the containers and also platform services. So these four categories, based on these four categories, we are having the computer services. So in that, for example, platform as a services, we are having managed runtime. So for example, we are having plenty of application running in your system. It will have the main problem is runtime. So runtime will be managed with the help of platform as services. So it have the set of rules and protocols to manage the runtime with a perfect manner to get the end results very easy. So for that, these kind of categories we are displayed here. So for example, application services, application engine, then application costing. So serverless. These are the four main categories. So let's have what is virtual machine. We already know the few glimpses of IaaS, right? So continue to that. There are GCP, nothing but Google Compute Engine. So it will migrate the machines, whatever the speed, it will given the virtual machine. So generally we all know what is virtual machine, right? So it is nothing but the software emulation of physical computers. You will get full OS control in a single virtualization structure. So that might be a given here. So there are plenty of services provided. For example, EC2 available, right? So EC2, Amazon is a company providing EC2 is a most important technology for in virtual machine infrastructure as services. It will provided by the Amazon. So Azure also providing the virtual things. So it will have the hybrid cloud methods. It followed by the hybrid cloud. So these are about the things we are discussing in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.